basically locking in all the heat because of the atmosphere and the gases, the greenhouse effect. If you don't, I don't really know what that is, but it's like it traps a lot of heat. A lot of people think it's Mercury because it's the closest, but it just isn't. Enceladus, Enceladus, one of Saturn's smaller moons, reflects 90% of the sun's light. I actually, before I had this ASMR channel, I had a space channel, and I made a video on this moon, on how it reflects all this light. The reason being is because it's just like it's like an ice ball. Because it's so icy, the white of the ice reflects light back, and so 90% reflectivity, which is pretty cool. The ice mountain discovered is the Olympus Mons, which is located on Mars. Mount Everest stands, I'm reading it right here, I don't have this in my head. Mount Everest stands at 5.5 miles. Olympus Mons stands at 16 miles. High, of course. The Milky Way galaxy is 105,700 light years wide. Honestly, I don't really know how they gather this information. I would assume that they find objects and they're able to see how they fluctuate over time. But honestly, I don't really know how they figured this out exactly. So, hey, I don't know. I don't really know. Footprints left on the moon will never disappear as there is no wind. And this one I think is pretty, intuitive, because there's no atmosphere, there's nothing to erode the footprint, so it's just gonna stay there, That's pretty cool. Any debris, it's just gonna stay there, which is kinda cool. There are 79 known moons orbiting Jupiter. And if you look through any telescope, pretty much you'll be able to see 4 of them. I might pop up a picture of them right now, the 4 moons, but I think one of them is bigger than Mercury itself, which is kind of cool. The sun makes a full rotation once every 25 to 35 days. That is kind of crazy. That's kind of crazy. I expect it to be a good amount of years, but it takes about a month for the sun to make a full rotation. That's kind of crazy. I expected it to be a lot more than that. close on Venus than any other planet in our solar system. I would have to guess that. It's pretty, like, not mind-blowing because, you know, they're very, you know, I don't really know how to explain it, but, like, the 4 last planets have no land. Mercury doesn't have an atmosphere. So, pretty self-intuitive. Uranus is blue. Glows due to the gases in its atmosphere. I actually made a project on Uranus, and I talked about the chemical composition of the thing, which is the blues, like the methane and stuff, which is pretty cool. I had to see Uranus through a telescope, maybe one day. Uranus has 27 moons that have been discovered so far. And you can put this in other words, is that there's 27 balls in space rotating around. Because of its unique tilt, a season on Uranus is equivalent to 21 Earth years. Yeah, Uranus I think is like 98 degrees tilted. And listen, I'm no scientist, but I've heard that way back in the past, you know, back in my days, you know, an object basically hit Uranus and it like tilted. Again, I'm no scientist, it could be completely wrong, probably is. Triton, one of Neptune's moon, is gradually getting closer to the planet it orbits. Again, on my old space channel, I made a video on this exact topic, and basically it keeps going closer and closer. Eventually it'll be ripped apart, and it'll just turn into rings, and rings bigger than Saturn, which is kind of cool. Neptune takes nearly 165 Earth years to make one orbit of the sun. That is crazy. I think, like, man, that's like basically, like, how do I explain this? Like, actually, visually, I wonder if that'll make a difference. It rotating around the sun. I don't know. It's a good question. Any free-moving liquid in outer space will as someone who lives in, I would say, decently thunderstorm prone area, especially in summer, I think that's pretty realistic. Outer space